The 1909 Curtiss V-Twin Roadster, with Dick Shappy classic cars and motorcycles. Despite becoming known as the fastest man on Earth in 1907 for setting a land speed record of 136 miles per hour on an experimental V8 motorcycle he had built himself, Glenn Hammond Curtiss was not known for his bikes, but rather as an American aviation pioneer. Born in 1879 in Hammondsport, New York, he started his engineering career racing bicycles in his youth. By 1902, he had built his first motorcycle engine with a tomato soup can as a carburetor, and his genius only expanded from there. In 1904, he was taking home the gold against even his rivals at Indian motorcycles. Until 1912, he and his team would go on race motorcycles, but this wasn't his only successful endeavor. In the same period, Curtiss was the chief rival of the Wright brothers, designing airplane engines, the most widely used U.S. aircraft in World War I, the first amphibious aircraft, and joining the Aerial Experimentation Association. Curtiss was one of the great engineers of the early 20th century, producing innovative and high-performance motorcycles, inventing the handlebar throttle, and helping to create the U.S. aviation industry. This 1909 Curtiss V-Twin Roadster is an extremely rare specimen, considered the Duesen of early American motorcycles. The Audrain Auto Museum reports that this 1909 Curtiss is one of the most well-preserved motorcycles in the world today, and the last of the Curtiss line. There are only 4 Curtiss engines known to have survived, 5 including the Hercules. This one, engine number 3302, went to Dale Stoner in collaboration with the Glenn H. Curtiss Museum in Hammondsport, New York, for a careful and meticulous restoration and documentation. Dale Stoner is not only the premier Curtiss historian and a master machinist, but an engineering pioneer who will one day be regarded in the history books right alongside Glenn. He is currently recreating the beautiful and historic 1907 Curtiss 8-cylinder experimental motorcycle that set the world land speed record of 137 miles per hour in exacting detail. It has been rumored that upon completion, this vehicle could be worth between $500,000 and $1 million. This 1909 Curtiss Roadster sports a powerful 54 cubic inch air-cooled, 6-horsepower V-twin engine operated by belt drive with splash oil lubrication and dry cell battery ignition. It features a tool bag license plate, Persons Manufacturing Company of Worcester, Massachusetts, seat, Stewart magnetic type speedometer and odometer, an Ingersoll Watch Company Yankee model clock, and a 20th Century Manufacturing Company of New York City Model 102 headlamp. The preservation of these accessories, along with the rest of this historic motorcycle, are nothing short of remarkable. To learn more about Glenn Hammond Curtiss, his motorcycles, and other antique and vintage bikes, visit dsclassics.com.